Okay, so I wanted to show you where to connect up the connector inside of Communi. So if you're using Communi AI and you're using Claude, then this is how it is. I'll post other ones with other examples of other AI tools as we go. So if we go into our Claude interface here, you can see I've just been engaging in a new chat with AI. And if we go across to customize, this is where you'll find it in Claude. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into the connectors option here. You can see that I've connected it here. I'm going to disconnect this right now. So it's no longer there. Now I'm going to go back to my connectors. Now I'm going to go over to our software here, and I'm going to make sure that this is able to be seen inside of the browser so you can see where I find this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come across here and I'm going to go into my account settings, applications, and you'll see this Communi AI option here. Click connect. I'll copy this URL right here and I'm going to go back to Claude. I'm going to click this plus and I'm going to add a custom connector. Okay, add custom connector. Communi AI. I'll add this URL right here and then I'm going to click add. Now it already exists because I've already connected it, so it's not going to let me add it again. But basically that's what you need to do in order to make these connections. So if I was able to remove this, then you would see that that would now work. So once you've connected it up, and I'll go back into my connector here, I'll go in, because I've already connected this up. What happens is when you do connect it up, it'll come to this here, and it's going to ask you to allow. So once you've added that custom connector, you've added in the name, you've added in the URL, you then authorize Claude, click allow. It's going to authorize it, open it up again, and now it's going to show that it is connected. So you can see here. Now you'll see that these different tools are available right now, and we're going to improve on this. You'll see more available very soon, and you'll see a whole list by the time we finish with the scope of Communi AI. You'll see a whole huge list here. If there's anything that you don't want included and you don't want to use, you can just click blocked, and then it means that Claude or any AI that you're using, if you've got this blocked in that AI that you've connected, will then not be able to access that information. So if I didn't want this creating group posts for me, I could block it. If I wanted it to wait and require approval in order to post for me, which is usually a sensible idea, then I can click this and I can remove it to needs approval. Now, once you've connected this up in your chosen AI, it's very easy to just start a new chat and then say, "Hey, can you check that Communi is connected as a connector?" And what that's going to do is it's then going to go back, it's going to grab the data, and it's going to then present us with what we can, whether it is. And it says, it's going to ping it right now. It is reachable. It is working. What can I do with it? And I can ask it then questions such as, what can I do with this? And as there's more updates that occur, you'll be able to do more and more, and it will be able to share different capabilities, even more capabilities that it has through this process. But that's how to get started with it. That's how to connect it up in Claude. And hopefully this gets you started connecting it up inside of Claude. And the principle is the same inside of any AI. Basically, you just want to connect up it as a connector. And once you've connected it as a connector, then you're able to engage with it. And it's the same thing, adding a name, adding the URL, authorizing it, and then after that, you're able to use it.